Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to allow notifications in the Vivaldi browser. Whether you're using Vivaldi on your desktop or mobile device, this quick guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. Let's cover how to allow notifications on Vivaldi. Click on Icon Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Website Permissions. Under the Permissions section, click on Notifications. Toggle the switch to Allow sites to send notifications. That's it. You're all set to manage notifications in the Vivaldi browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.